YouNeedAnAISocialClone AI has just been released, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with its capabilities, this tool is making waves. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned, because I'm about to give you the insider scoop. First off, let's talk about the core purpose of YouNeedAnAISocialClone. Simply put, this tool is designed to automate your social media presence using AI, making it easier to manage multiple accounts, schedule posts, and even engage with followers without having to lift a finger. But here's the kicker. It's not just about automating posts. It leverages AI to replicate your tone, voice, and style. This means your social media engagement feels authentic and personal, all while being efficient. One of the standout features of YouNeedAnAISocialClone is how it helps with content creation. It can generate tailored posts based on your previous social media activity, making it ideal for businesses, influencers, and anyone looking to maintain a consistent online persona. This feature alone can save you hours of brainstorming and writing, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. What makes it even more interesting is how it learns from your interactions. As you use the software, it adapts to your preferences, improving the quality of its output over time. Whether you're scheduling regular updates or engaging with followers, it feels like you have a dedicated team member handling everything for you. Another major benefit is its ability to handle multiple platforms at once. You can manage all your social media accounts, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, from a single dashboard. This centralization of tasks means less time spent hopping between platforms and more time spent growing your brand or business. One thing I really love about YouNeedAnAISocialClone is its analytics feature. It doesn't just schedule and post for you, it also tracks the performance of your content. From engagement rates to follower growth, the software provides insights into what's working and what's not, so you can optimize your social media strategy with ease. Now, for those who are skeptical about the cost, here's something that should put your mind at ease. You can try the software for free by clicking the first link in the description. Yep, that's right, absolutely free. No commitments, no hidden fees. You can explore all the features and see if it fits your needs before investing any money. But what about security? YouNeedAnAISocialClone is built with data protection in mind. The platform ensures that your information stays private and secure, so you don't have to worry about breaches or unauthorized access. This is especially important if you're handling sensitive client information or business data. Lastly, I want to leave you with this. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say YouNeedAnAISocialClone stands out. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or influencer, this software could significantly streamline your workflow and boost your online presence. If you're interested in finding more AI tools that can help you grow, check out the list of my top recommended software in the description below. Remember, if you're looking for a way to elevate your social media game, give YouNeedAnAISocialClone a try. It's free and the benefits are clear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.